Mixture of softener with salt that you will thank me after using. Let's start today's tip using fabric softener. The ideal amount for use is 200 milliliters. The fabric softener is one of the main items for this mixture besides the cleaning, also for being the main item for its aroma. Next, we will also use a cup of detergent, being essential to use for its degreasing effect. Enjoy and tell me how you prepare tips for cleaning your home. I would love to know. As soon as we add the detergent, we should mix the two ingredients very well. I'm sure you will love this tip. When you are at this point, we will also add a tablespoon of salt and mix again. To finish, we will also add a cup of vinegar. Being this tip made only with these 4 ingredients that we all have at home. We will mix very well again, and with this, we will have our mixture ready. Just this amount we prepare is enough for use for at least a month. To facilitate the application of the mixture, we will use a bottle. I am using the same detergent packaging, with a capacity of 500 milliliters. To avoid wasting the mixture, we will also use a funnel. And before I forget, tell me which city is watching us to send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to Itixia Volanesi from Greece. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. For the use of this mixture is simple. We will just put the liquid directly into the toilet. The amount is your choice. Then just using a brush, we get a complete cleaning. You will be amazed at the result. Best of all, it works even for the outside parts, so you only need to use a cloth after applying this mixture. I can even clean the sinks, just a small amount is enough. With this mixture I surprise all my visitors by using the bathroom of my house. Tell me what you got when using this mixture. Thank you for watching this video so far. See you in the next video. Bye.